S is equal to 1 upon 1 plus cot 1 degree, 1 upon 1 plus cot 5 degree, plus 1 upon 1 plus cot 9 degree, plus so on up to 1 upon 1 plus cot 89 degree. What is the sum of this expression? First of all, if I see here, the pattern is kind of this: 1 upon 1 plus cot of x. Every term is following this pattern. So let's try to make it simple by turning it into tangent. So I can write 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon tan x, because since I know that cot of x is equal to 1 upon tan x. So therefore this becomes tan x upon 1 plus tan x on simplifying. Now using this pattern in every term, this expression becomes s is equal to tangent of 1 degree divided by 1 plus tangent 1 degree plus tangent of 5 degree upon 1 plus tangent of 5 degree plus tangent of 9 degree upon 1 plus tangent of 9 degree plus so on up to tangent of 89 degree upon 1 plus tangent of 89 degree. Now let it be equation number A. Since we know that tangent of x is equal to cot of 90 degree minus x, using this identity in every term in this equation, we get s is equal to cot 89 degree divided by cot 89 degree plus 1 plus cot of 85 degree divided by 1 plus cot of 85 degree plus cot of 81 degree upon 1 plus cot 81 degree plus so on cot of 1 degree divided by 1 plus cot of 1 degree. Now in this expression, every term is following a pattern kind of this, which is cot of x divided by cot of x plus of 1. Now converting this into tan, I can write it as 1 upon tan x divided by 1 upon of tan x plus of 1, because cot is reciprocal of tangent. It becomes 1 upon of tan x whole divided by 1 plus of tan x whole divided by tan x. Now tan x and tan x cancels, and finally we get 1 upon 1 plus tan of x. That means every term here will follow this pattern, and in terms of tangent it becomes 1 upon 1 plus tan x. Therefore s becomes now 1 upon 1 plus tangent of 89 degree plus 1 upon 1 plus tangent of 85 degree plus 1 upon 1 plus tangent of 81 degree plus so on, and finally 1 upon 1 plus tangent of 1 degree. Let it be equation number B. Now adding equation A and B, we get left hand side becomes 2s, because s plus s is 2s, and right hand side becomes 1 plus tangent 1 degree upon 1 plus tangent of 1 degree plus 1 plus tangent 5 degree upon 1 plus tangent 5 degree plus so on up to 1 plus tangent of 89 degree whole divided by 1 plus tangent of 89 degree. The pattern is coming after adding first term with the last term, similarly second term with the second last term, and third term with the third last in reverse order we are adding, and we got this. Now on cancellation everything we get 2s is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus so on up to 1. Since angles are in AP, that is 1 degree, 5 degree, 9 degree, so on up to 89 degree. General term of the AP is A plus n minus 1 times D. So 89 can be written as 1 plus n minus 1 times 4, because common difference here is 4. On solving this, n becomes 23. So that simply means we have 23 terms here. So 1 is adding 23 times. Therefore, 2s becomes 23, and finally s is equal to 23 by 2, and the answer is this.